Just a spoonful of sugar helps the medicine go down in a most delightful way. A robin feathering his nest is very little time to rest while gathering his bits of twine and twig. Though quite intent in his pursuit, he's got a merry tune to toot. He knows a song will move the job along. And a spoonful of sugar helps the medicine